Assalamualaikum and salam sejahtera. Welcome to Faculty of Engineering UNIMAS Engagement 2022. We hope from this virtual briefing you'll get to know more about our programs here in UNIMAS and what we have to offer. Let's get started. Before we go on further, let us describe brief history to our Faculty of Engineering UNIMAS. The Faculty of Engineering UNIMAS first started in 1993 with two offerings of Civil Engineering and Electronic Telecommunications Engineering. In 1996, Mechanical Engineering was offered as one of the programs, followed by Electronic Computer Engineering in 2000 and Chemical Engineering in 2009. Our latest program is Electrical and Electronics Engineering, which started in 2014. Here is a brief outlook at our Faculty of Engineering Management team. Our Dean is Professor Engineer Dr. Siti Nolinda Taib. We have four Deputy Deans, Professor Engineer Dr. Andrew Raga Henry Rigid as Deputy Dean Industry Community Engagement, myself, Nordiana Rajai as Deputy Dean Undergraduate, Dr. Nahuzaimin Julai, Deputy Dean Research and Commercialization, and Dr. Abina Junaidi as Deputy Dean Student Affairs and Alumni. In UNIMAS, we have four engineering programs: Civil Engineering, Mechanical Engineering, Chemical Engineering, and Electrical and Electronics Engineering. These are our lineup for our head of departments and program coordinators. We'll be seeing more of them once you join the programs. Civil Engineering. Civil engineers design and supervise construction of major public works projects such as buildings, highways, airports, bridges, and dams. They can either work for a government organization or in private industry competing for government contracts, specialize in a type of project or branch of the profession such as transportation engineering, structural engineering, or geotechnical engineering. Civil engineering requires a broad skill set. One of the most critical elements to succeed is project management. Bringing plans to life requires a team, and a civil engineer is the leader of such a team. Proficiency in advanced mathematics is essential to civil engineering. Geometry and calculus are obvious necessities. Other courses include material science and engineering, coastal engineering, construction engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, design of hydraulic structures, urban engineering, and civil engineering materials. The entry requirements to the civil engineering program here in UNIMAS, apart from university general requirements whereby the SPM, BM must be credit, Sejarah Pass, and MUAT Band 2, for STPM holders, they must have a minimum grade C in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics T, Biology or Chemistry. SPM grade C in Mathematics or Additional Mathematics, grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities which may hinder laboratory works. For diploma holders, they must have a minimum CGPA of 2.50 with relevant diploma degree from accredited programs. They must also submit full transcript, semester 1 to final semester, grade C in SPM, in Mathematics of Additional Mathematics, grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities which may hinder laboratory works. For ASASI or matriculations, they must have minimum grade C in following courses: Physics or Engineering Physics, Mathematics, Biology or Chemistry or Engineering Chemistry or Basic Engineering, SPM grade C in Mathematics or Additional Mathematics, grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities which may hinder laboratory works. For GCE level, they must have minimum grade C in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics, Chemistry, further Mathematics or Biology, International Baccalaureate, minimum score 26 with score 4 in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics, Chemistry or further Mathematics or Biology, OSMET grade C in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics, Chemistry or Biology, with no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities which may hinder laboratory works. Mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineers play an important role in automotive, aerospace, biotechnology, computer and electronics, automation, and manufacturing industries. They design, develop, build, and test all sorts of mechanical devices, tools, engines, and machines. Mechanical engineers are able to design and manufacture everything from small parts like miniature connectors to large machine tools like drill presses. They take a product from start to finish and design for aesthetics, functionality, and durability. Examples of products that mechanical engineers can design and develop are transmissions, engine parts, aircraft engines, control system, prosthetic devices, disk drives, printers, semiconductor tools, sensors, gas turbines, wind turbines, fuel cells, compressors, robots, and machine tools. Important courses are such as engineering mathematics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, material science and engineering, fundamental of electronics, computer-aided engineering, and control and instrumentation. The entry requirements to the mechanical engineering program: University General Requirements SPM-BM credit Sejarah PAS Muat Ntu. For SPM holders, they must have a minimum grade C in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics T, Biology or Chemistry. SPM grade C in Mathematics or Additional Mathematics, grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities which may hinder laboratory works. For diploma holders, they must have a minimum CGPA of 2.50 with relevant diploma degree from accredited programs, and they must submit full transcript semester 1 till the final semester. SPM grade C in Mathematics or Additional Mathematics, grade E in English, and no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities which may hinder laboratory works. For RSC or matriculation, the minimum grade C in the following courses: Physics, Engineering Physics, Mathematics, Biology or Chemistry or Engineering Chemistry or Basic Engineering. SPM grade C in the following courses: Mathematics or Additional Mathematics, minimum grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities which may hinder laboratory works. For GCE A level, minimum grade C in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics, Chemistry or further Mathematics or Biology, International Baccalaureate, minimum score 26 with score 4 in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics, Chemistry or further Mathematics or Biology. OSMED grade C in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics, Chemistry or Biology with no physical disabilities or eyesight disabilities which may hinder laboratory works. For chemical engineering, chemical engineering is all about changing raw materials into useful products such as clothes, food and drink, and energy. Chemical engineers focus on processes and products. They develop and design processes to create products, either focusing on improving existing processes or creating new ones. This means that they are also concerned with managing resources, protecting the environment and health and safety. Chemical engineers are sometimes called universal engineers because it is such a broad discipline that are essentially concerned with transforming one thing into another. Chemical engineers take most of the chemistry courses studied by chemists, plus engineering courses and additional math. The added math courses include differential equations, linear algebra, and statistics. Common engineering courses are fluid dynamics, mass transfer, reactor design, thermodynamics, and process design. Chemical engineers work on R&D teams, process engineering at the plant, and process engineering or management. The entry requirements to the chemical engineering program here in UNIMAS is slightly higher than the other programs. The University General Requirements SPM-BM credit Sejarah PAS Muat Ntu. However, for STPM holders, the minimum grade is B- in the following courses: Physics, Mathematics T, Biology or Chemistry. And with SPM grade C in the following course: Mathematics or Additional Mathematics, grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities, or color blindness which may hinder laboratory works. For diploma holders, they must have a minimum CGPA of 2.75 with relevant diploma degree from accredited program. They must submit a full transcript from semester 1 to the final semester and SPM in minimum grade C in mathematics or additional mathematics and minimum grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities, or color blindness which may hinder laboratory works. For SRC or matriculation, the minimum grade B in the following courses: physics or engineering physics, mathematics, biology or chemistry or engineering chemistry or basic engineering. SPM grade C in mathematics or additional mathematics, minimum grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities or color blindness which may hinder laboratory works. For GCE A-level, minimum grade C in the following courses: physics, mathematics, chemistry, further mathematics or biology. International Baccalaureate, minimum score 26 with score 4 in the following courses: physics, mathematics, chemistry or further mathematics or biology. OSMED, minimum grade C in physics, mathematics, chemistry or biology, with no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities, or color blindness which may hinder laboratory works. Electrical and Electronics Engineering. Electrical and electronic engineers work in a very wide range of industries and the skills required are likewise variable. These range from basic circuit theory to the management skills required of a project manager. They apply the physics and mathematics of electricity, electronics, electromagnetism to both large and small-scale systems to process information and transmit energy. To do this, electrical engineers design computers, electronic devices, communication systems, test equipment, electric power networks, and improve systems through problem-solving techniques. Electrical engineers work in transport networks, lighting, heating, ventilation, lift systems, power generation and distribution, renewable energy, manufacturing, and construction. Major courses such as engineering mathematics, circuits theory, analog electronics, instrumentation and process control, digital signal processing, power systems, communication systems, and microprocessor systems. The entry requirements to the Electrical and Electronics Engineering program in UNIMAS, apart from University General Requirements SPM-BM credits, Sejarah PAS Mod Band 2, for STPM holders, they must have a minimum grade C in Physics, Mathematics T, Biology or Chemistry, with SPM grade C in Mathematics or Additional Mathematics and grade E in English. No physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities, or color blindness which may hinder laboratory works. For diploma holders, the minimum CGPA is 2.50 with relevant diploma degree from accredited programs. They must also submit full transcript from semester 1 to the final semester, SPM grade C in mathematics or additional mathematics, grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities, and color blindness which may hinder laboratory works. For SRC or matriculation, they must have a minimum grade C in physics or engineering physics, mathematics, biology or chemistry or engineering chemistry or basic engineering, and SPM grade C in mathematics or additional mathematics, minimum grade E in English, no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities, or color blindness which may hinder laboratory works. For GCE A-level, they must have a minimum grade C in physics, mathematics, chemistry or further mathematics or biology. For International Baccalaureate, minimum score 26 with score 4 in the following courses: physics, mathematics, chemistry or further mathematics or biology. For OSMED, grade C in physics, mathematics, chemistry or biology, with no physical disabilities, eyesight disabilities, or color blindness which may hinder laboratory works. Other information. We do have several labs in UNIMAS. We have the STEM lab, Science, Technology, Engineering and Mathematics lab. We also have QB Tech lab and we have Smart City Industrial lab. We do also have Student Association, SAFE, which is Student Association for Faculty of Engineering, IM SAFE, SEEDS for EE program, FACES for Chemical program, COSHES for Civil program, and TEAMS for Mechanical program. Students' activities. Here are several of our student activities during the visit to Longi, Hydrobatakae, and Orientation Day. We also have the IM SAFE student section. More of the student activities: IM blood donation, IM site visit to Hornbill, IM charity run, and IM FK tour. We also have IM FIFA 21 online tournament, fun hiking to Mount Serapi, and a visit to Dun, Sarawak. More, we have Padawan's Danu Village student exploration and campus run. These are several of our achievements. For those who are interested to join the uniform bodies, they can join the Suksis UNIMAS or Palapes UNIMAS. The Osaka Guest Scholarship is solely intended for students in Faculty of Engineering UNIMAS. You can apply for these Osaka Guest Scholarships when you have enrolled yourself in any one of our programs. For other scholarship programs, you may refer to BPPS UNIMAS. During the convocation, there will be several awards or anugerah which will be presented to students in UNIMAS. Anugerah Pelajaran Diraja, Pingat Jaya Cemerlang, Anugerah Chancellor, Anugerah Pro Chancellor, and IEM Awards. These are more of the achievements from our alumni from our programs. A local firm which creates AI app to automate data gathering for road damage has won the My Hackathon Malaysia 2020. And this one is actually from our EE programs. From the mechanical department, they won the Shell Selamat Sampai Varsity Challenge in 2018. From the chemical engineering department, they won in 2 categories at the National Chemical Engineering Symposium organized by UKM Bangi. And most recently, we have our third-year student who won a 10-year contract from BMW to work in Germany. This third-year student is from the Mechanical Engineering department. In UNIMAS, we also have global mobility and summer programs whereby if the student is interested, they can spend at least 1 semester in any of these mobility programs countries. SHEDA inks MOU with the UNIMAS for Civil Engineering Department, DRB HighCom for Mechanical Department, and these are the career pathways for some of our alumni here in UNIMAS. Thank you for joining our virtual engagement. We hope you have gotten to know a little bit more about our programs here in Faculty Engineering UNIMAS, and we look forward to seeing you soon. Thank you.